Are you tired of watching your friends invest in their futures while you feel stuck? Imagine this. In just a few minutes, you could unlock the secrets to building wealth that will set you free. Today, we'll reveal the top 5 investment and admin strategies for beginners. And stick around until the end for a bonus tip that could change your financial game forever. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why investing is crucial. The fear of missing out on wealth creation is real. Without investing, inflation will eat away at your savings faster than a cookie disappearing at a party. So, it's time to take control. Strategy number 1. Start with index funds. Why index funds? Because they're like the buffet of the investment world, diversified and filling without breaking the bank. By investing in index funds, you're betting on the overall market rather than individual stocks. It's a less risky and time-consuming option. The excitement of watching your investment grow over the years is exhilarating. And remember, the earlier you start, the more your money can compound. Are you ready to feast on those returns? Speaking of feasting, our next strategy is just as satisfying. Next up is dollar cost averaging. This strategy allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. It's like buying coffee every day. Some days it feels like a steal, and other days it feels a bit pricey. But over time, you average out the cost. This approach helps reduce the emotional roller coaster of investing. And let's face it, who wants to be stressed out every time the market dips? By consistently investing, you take the panic out of your portfolio. Ready to spice things up? Our next strategy adds a dash of excitement. Asterisk. Strategy number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Imagine walking into a party where all the snacks are the same. Boring, right? Investing in different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. It reduces risk and maximizes potential gains. Plus, who doesn't love variety? But beware, too much diversification can be counterproductive. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Speaking of sweet spots, let's move on to our next thrilling strategy. Asterisk. Coming in at number 4 is automating your investments. In a world where time is money, why not let technology work for you? Set up automatic transfers to your investment accounts. This strategy makes investing as effortless as binge watching your favorite series. Plus, it helps remove the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Trust me, future you will thank you for it. But hold on, we're not done yet. Our final strategy packs a powerful punch. Asterisk. Finally, the most crucial strategy. Invest in yourself. Whether it's learning new skills, networking, or enhancing your education, investing in your personal growth pays the highest dividends. The fear of stagnation is scarier than market fluctuations. Knowledge is power, and it can lead to higher income and better opportunities. So, go out there and grab that wealth. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip that could change everything. Our bonus tip: stay informed. The market is always evolving. Follow financial news, join investment forums, and connect with mentors. This keeps you ahead of the curve and ready to seize opportunities. Remember, knowledge today means wealth tomorrow. Cliffhanger. But what if I told you there's a debate that could shape your investment future? Let's find out. Now that you're armed with these top strategies, it's time to put them into action. But wait, before you go, check out my next video on long-term versus short-term investing, which is right for you. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Your journey to financial wisdom starts now.